Hey guys, welcome back to tenorshare. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone that's stuck on the Apple logo screen. Whether it happens during setup, an upgrade, a downgrade, or while loading a progress bar, this video has you covered. We'll walk you through how to fix this issue without losing your important data. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why this happens. Your iPhone might get stuck on the Apple logo for several common reasons. Be especially careful about the third one. If you've ever seen a storage full warning, that alone can trap your device on the Apple logo and put your data at risk. Before trying any fixes, make sure your device isn't overheating. Now let's move on. Method 1. Hard reset your iPhone. The quickest thing to try is a hard reset. Here's how. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can resolve minor crashes, but it won't fix deeper issues like full storage or failed updates. Try not to force restart repeatedly, as it may cause more problems. If this doesn't work, you'll need a more advanced repair. Method 2. Fix your iPhone using iTunes. You can try updating or restoring your iPhone through iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Put it into recovery mode. It's similar to a forced restart, but keep holding the side button until you see the recovery screen. iTunes will detect the problem and offer two choices, update or restore. Try update first, but if it fails, your device might crash and you may lose data. If your iPhone got stuck during an iOS 18 update, iTunes usually won't update it. You may have to restore, which erases everything. That's why I suggest using ReiBoot instead. It's safer, simpler, and helps you avoid data loss. Method 3. Fix your iPhone with ReiBoot. ReiBoot is a professional system repair tool that can fix over 150 plus iOS system issues without wiping your data. After installing ReiBoot, connect your iPhone to your computer. Click the green Start button. Choose Standard Repair for a no data loss fix. If your iPhone isn't detected, try a different cable or follow the on-screen steps to enter recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, download the firmware and start the standard repair. Although full repair features require the paid version, the safety and convenience are often worth it. When your iPhone is back to normal, make sure to free up some storage. Keeping at least 10% free space helps prevent crashes and keeps your device running smoothly. If your iPhone still won't turn on after all these methods, visit an Apple store for professional help. I hope this video helps you fix your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo. If you have any questions about your iPhone or iPad, drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.